Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Everybody want to enter into the crypto, but they know about the history as Bitcoin, Ethereum, that was just a penny price when they was initiated. But now you can check there is near to 100K and so on near to 1000x the gas potential. In this video, I am also going to share one of the best coin that is also NDU. You can easily join this ecosystem where you will also find new potential. Actually, this video is for just educational purpose based. We are not your financial advisor. You can do your proper research. On the WEEX exchange, you can easily check about NDU trading competition. Where low barrier. Trade the NDU eligible coin, then reward will be $30,000. An event has been started that will be, and after 5 days, if you are going to thinking that you should be a part of it, then you have to sign up on WEEX exchange. And for that, you can also put here your account. You can easily create your email, and then you have to put that here. You can put your referral code after the accept and terms and condition. Your account will be created. And after that, you can easily go ahead to participate in the first option is to deposit and trade the task. This is just for new user. Meaning if you don't have account on the WEEX platform, you can create account and then at least you have to deposit $100 so that you can start your first spot trading in the eligible token that is NDU. And yes, here is also event 1 and event 2 where new user can participate. And there is the second, when they will deposit $1 as a new user, then they will also start spot trading and future trading. According to their future trading, their reward will be given. Here is also for the both existing and new user can participate into the third event that is trading NDU. And your reward will be given on the base of your spot trading, and there is $60,000 mean $800 reward. And so on. You can also check how you are going to join. Basically, there, you not only just going to start your trading experience in the NDU, you are going to join as the referrer. You are per valid annuity. You are going to get $10 and $15, $20, so on. So in this way, you can also join on the WEEX exchange. How actually you are going to join their account creation. So guys, you can also check here NDU on the WEEX exchange that has increased the price within last 24 hours. And yes, here is the chart analysis. The candle is showing you progress report of it. In this way, you can also join everything how you are going to participate and you will start your trading in this event. If you still have any question, you can ask in our comment box. See you next week till and take care and goodbye.